I want you to listen to this guy called Barbecue of Haiti.
I've only been here 5 minutes.
You get the last 5 minutes.
I feel very comfortable around you.
C'est confortable.
Okay. And I see how he helps the community.
Et puis, il comment aider la communauté.
C'est normal pour faire un job.
It is normal for them to make him look like a monster.
Yeah.
L'on dénonce un système qui est corrompu.
When you denounce a system that is corrupt.
Yes.
L'on demande de l'eau pour tout le monde.
When you're asking for water for everyone.
Yes.
L'on demande l'hôpital pour tout le monde.
When you ask hospitals for everyone.
L'on demande l'école gratis pour tout le monde.
When you ask free school for everyone.
L'on dénonce 5% monde qui gagne 95% richesse pays.
Yeah. You dis ça encore?
L'on dénonce 5% monde qui gagne 95% richesse pays.
5% of people that's holding the country's wealth.
The wealth.
Yeah.
C'est normal pour faire battre
pour. It is normal to make him look like a monster.
Parce que système qui est son système senti.
Because the system here is a stinky system.
Right. Son système corrompu.
It's a corrupt system.
Il faut nous changer n'importe quoi.
And by any means we must change it.
Et normal pour utiliser moun qui gagne pile kobyo.
It is normal to use the people with a lot of money.
Ils utilisent les médias locaux.
They use the local media.
Ils utilisent les médias internationaux.
They use the international media.
Pour détruire caractère.
So they can destroy his character.
Même Jean a fait président Jovenel Moïse.
Just like they did the president Jovenel.
Jusqu'à ce qu'il assassiné.
Until they assassinated him.
Sauf que moi-même il va assassiner moi.
Just him, they cannot assassinate him.
Je dis à son système senti qu'il a dénoncé.
He's denouncing a stinky system.
Et nous avons besoin de l'eau pour tout le monde, nous avons besoin de l'hôpital, nous avons besoin de l'école. L'État, par contre, c'est n'existe.
Okay, so they need water, hospital, school. They say the government don't know if they exist.
Même Thomas Sankara a dit.
Just like Thomas Sankara said.
Nous plutôt gain de l'eau pour tout le monde.
We would rather have water for everyone.
Instead
of drinking champagne with a small group of people. He's not an innocent person. If he was an innocent person, he wouldn't be able to do this fight. But he's not doing. He doesn't know how to do kidnappings. He doesn't know how to steal people's stuff. He doesn't kill people for money.
He's just a
person that gave his life to help change the people's condition of life.
In the middle of this year 2024, I went to the airport to pick up my friend. And while I was waiting for my friend, I went to buy a coffee just to keep myself warm because the weather is cold, you know. And I met another person there. I was just on my own, drinking my coffee. And somebody walked to me and said, "What's up? How you doing?" And I said, "I'm fine, you know." And we started to have a conversation. He asked me, "Where are you from?" I told him, and I asked him too, "Where are you from?" He said to me, "I am from Mexico." And I said, "Wow, that's nice." And that forced me to ask him another question. I asked him, I said, "My friend, I call you friend because you are calm, you're gentle. I see you as a gentleman. I just want to find out something from you." And he said, "Go ahead." And I said to him, "You know Haiti, and probably you know the political situation in Haiti. The president was assassinated recently. Aristide was forced out of office and even out of the country. You know." And he said to me, yes, he knows the stories. And I said to him, okay, now, the current situation in Haiti is unbearable. The people are suffering. They do not even have a good water to drink. There is a lot that is going on. And I asked him, "My friend, what do you think that the people have to do? What do we think that we have to do to liberate ourselves?" And he said to me, "There is only one solution to this problem. And I wanted to know the solution. He said, nobody can liberate Haiti, only Asians can liberate themselves. And it took me back to the days of Aristide, how his early reign was prosperous. And it took me very back. He told me a lot of stories. Papa Dog and Baby Dog. He also mentioned them. And he told me how Haiti was good at rice production, how the rice they were producing was able to feed the entire nation without demanding or depending on foreign intervention and foreign aid in order to feed the masses. I was gentle, calm, listening to him. When he finished narrating, I said to him, you spoke very well. You spoke like one who have a very clear understanding of the situation. You know, and if you listening to him, go back to the history of Papa Dog and Baby Dog. Go back to the beginning of Aristide, his reign, and you know what happened? During all this time, Haiti was in a very good position. At least they can produce their own food. And he told me how American government poisoned the Asian farmers and how that economy was destroyed. It all go back. It all ended in politicians being the problem of the country. Now, another guy by name Barbecue is now claiming to be the one who wants to liberate the people from the suffering. I am not a fan of Barbecue because he has been doing a lot of things that I disagree with. But what is then the government doing?